What is up, Achievers? It's your boy, Isaac Medina, back again with another episode. And today we have a very special guest. I like to say that he's my mentor because I've learned a lot from him. Me and him go way back. We actually, with another business that I used to have, he helped me with some marketing aspects of that business. And ever since then, we've kept in touch. And dude, he's taught so many people how to start their businesses from scratch, from his humble beginnings, literally living in his car to full-time entrepreneur. I'm striving to be like him. I know we can all learn from him. Reyes the Entrepreneur. Thanks, brother, for coming on to the show, dude.
Hey, man, thanks for having me. And yeah, man, we'll go way back, but we still got a lot more to grow, bro. We're going to hit those goals.
Heck yeah, man. For sure, dude. So for those who don't know you, dude, can you tell us a little bit how you got started with this whole entrepreneur game and the whole YouTube niche? How'd you get started, dude?
You know what, man? I've always wanted to be my own boss. I just hate people telling me what to do like a regular job. I wear chanclas every day. But
Yeah, man.
2015, I wanted to challenge myself, start something brand new. It was YouTube. My first videos flopped, but I really enjoyed the process and producing some type of value for people. And the great thing about YouTube is once you make one piece of content, it's there forever. So
Right.
people are going to find it.
Everything.
And
Yep.
yeah, and I just told myself, this is what I want to do. I want to see how big I could grow this YouTube channel. 2.5 years later, I finally was able to make it into my full-time income, and I've been doing it for the last 5 years or so. And now I'm helping other entrepreneurs start, grow, and monetize their YouTube
Yep.
channels.
Exactly, dude. I'm actually one of those lucky clients that you took on. And dude, if you guys are getting started in the whole YouTube game and you really want some help, there's a lot of courses out there, a lot of influencers, but not like Reyes. Dude, he takes care of you. He's been helping me with my channel, so nothing but good stuff coming out of it, dude. So with your whole YouTube channel, if someone goes there, we see all kinds of businesses, when you started with the whole t-shirt game and then moving on to like auto detailing and then like vending machines. What would you say is probably, why are you doing that? Like, why are you switching up? And then also like, what's your favorite one, dude? Because, I'm pretty sure that you probably have one that you like the most, but, probably leaning towards the other.
You know what, man? Honestly, I have a very bad habit of getting bored of what I'm doing. And that's why I chose
Oh,
entrepreneurship. I
yeah,
love doing what I want to do. So,
exactly.
and I love growing something from scratch. So that's why I will grow businesses. But when you grow the business, it's a lot of fun and hard work at the beginning. But then after you establish yourself, it's just repetition.
Yeah.
And that's when I get bored. And that's when I will jump into another business. But I've been doing that I love teaching, but I've been doing that for so long that it was like, okay, what's the next business that I actually want to stick with, that I want to grow into 7 figures? And this YouTube management, I've been doing it for about the last 2 years, and I'm sticking to this one. And this one right here is my favorite because it's so challenging for me. Because, like, for example, I did t-shirts, I did vending. For vending, put a machine, that's it. Maybe get another machine, but that's it. The shirts, just make shirts every single day. But with this YouTube management, I have to find different ways of helping my clients grow, make extra money. For example, right now, I'm learning email marketing. I'm trying out merch for my clients. And it's exciting for me. So this is my favorite hustle so far.
So, with your whole YouTube services, dude, like, I kid you not, it's such a time saver as well. So you gotta let your clients know that, man, or your new clients coming in. It saves me so much time because you guys handle all the editing. You guys make it so easy for me. Literally, I just sit back, I do what I love to do, and that's making videos. And then you guys take care of the rest. That's what's awesome about it, dude. It's such a time saver. So I can spend more time with the family, dude. So any advice on a rookie YouTuber who's wanting to get started? Maybe they don't know what to do. There's so many niches out there. What would you say to them? Like, hey, these are some of the steps, some of the advice tips that I can gladly tell you guys about getting started on YouTube.
So my first tip is you definitely got to enjoy it, because I see a lot of people jumping onto YouTube for the subscribers, the money they think they're going to make, the exposure they think they're going to get. And it doesn't work like that. YouTube, just like any business, you have to be in it and put in the grind. That's another thing. A lot of people think they're going to grow right away. Right. But the successful YouTubers that I've managed and still manage are the ones that didn't jump in thinking they were going to blow up. They have a different motivation of helping people. I noticed if they just want to help people and they're willing to stick with it, they're going to be successful. Now, another thing is you constantly need to be trying new ideas, because a lot of people blow up on an idea like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. They're doing one thing. Well, eventually that thing's going to get stale, and you have to try different things. For example, me, I've been on YouTube since 2015. And like you mentioned, I've been doing a lot of different hustles, but because I have to evolve. And right now, I'm going to be straight up honest, I'm going through a really difficult time on my channel where I'm trying to find the next thing that's going to blow me up. But I haven't found it for the last year and a half. But that's why I'm doing YouTube. I love teaching and I love growing businesses. So I'm trying to find that net hustle. We'll see what's up. But right now, I'm just focused on growing my YouTube management business.
Okay. And then would you say that we should probably be focusing also on other platforms, or do you think YouTube is the way to go? Everyone knows TikTok is trying to compete against YouTube. Should we also be working on TikTok as well? Or should we just stick with YouTube, YouTube Shorts? What do you think?
Honestly, I talk to a lot of people who have their own business and they try doing everything and it gets overwhelming and they don't make progress. I highly recommend, if it's just you, keep that editing and recording super simple and easy and stick with one platform at first. And once you start making money from that platform, then delegate it. That's one big thing I highly recommend to people. Delegate what you could so you could focus on what you're good at, which is running your business. Because, for example, I manage several people, but we post on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts, and it's time consuming. So that's my advice, man. Focus on one platform, grow that platform, make money from that platform, and then expand to other platforms with help. Like me, that's why if you go to my Instagram, I only have 30,000 subscribers, 10,000 on Facebook, but I have almost 500,000 on YouTube because I focus on YouTube.
Awesome, man. Yeah. Congrats, dude.
But I focused on YouTube until it was starting to make money, and now I'm expanding to other platforms.
Awesome. And so with your new business, are you taking on new clients? How does someone reach out to you to get started with the whole YouTube management?
I do have a website, rtcreator.com, but I love it when people hit me up on the DMs on Instagram. That way I could see their profile, see what content they want to make, and build that one-on-one relationship with them if possible.
So to end it, what would you say, like, if you lost it all today? Let's say you lost it all, and how would you get started? Literally, like, you have 0 followers on every platform. How would you get started?
You know what, man? I've lost it all several times, so I already
Wow.
know what to do. If I
Nice.
lost YouTube, all my revenue today, I will
Uh-huh.
get a day job tomorrow
Okay.
and just start saving money and
Okay.
build from ground zero again. But
Nice.
one thing I noticed is a lot of people don't want to rebuild, and it sucks. And it's
Mhm.
really discouraging when you have to start over again.
Mhm.
But you gain a lot of experience
Okay.
from those
Yep.
first mistakes. So, for example, if I lost everything now, which I have before, I already have a game plan. Go get a day job, work as many hours as I can, and use that extra money to invest into a business slowly. With
Right.
that, whatever that business is, try to get
Mhm.
customers. And once I see it growing, invest more. And
Nice.
once I start making enough money to cover my bills and a little bit extra, that's
Mhm.
when I go hard, all in.
There it is.
And
Wow.
that's it, man. That's the formula I've done. I've done eBay full time, t-shirts full time, YouTube full time, and I'm doing social media management full time. So that's
Wow.
the game plan.
Yep. Entrepreneur. Awesome.
That's
Thanks, Reyes, for coming on the show. I hope you guys took something out of this because these are just golden nuggets that he dropped today. That, like you say, free 99 knowledge, dude. That's awesome, man. Thank you, Reyes, for coming. And I hope you come back to the show sometime. Make sure you guys check out the comments below. His link will be on there. And make sure you go over to his channel and like, subscribe this channel too. And thanks, guys. I hope to see you next time. Peace.
bye, everybody.